watching Those Foodie Travelers. Today we are sailing on the Valiant Lady on Virgin Voyages. It's an adult only cruise line. We have a central sea terrace here on deck 10. We are room number 10262A. So come on in and check it out. So we have our nice bed, which they also transform during the day and make it like a couch. We'll try to get a little bit of video and put it on for you guys to be able to see, with ample lighting everywhere, which is controlled by a little tablet, which is pretty cool. I have a whole tablet here with all your room controls. You can change how bright you want the lights, the different lights. Another cool feature I like is the curtains. Push this button. You push this button and it will close for you. And if you decide, you know what, I want them open, they will do that for you too. So they have a couple tables that you can put, I guess, over the bed, you know, watching TV, which the TV is right over here, right behind you. There's a nice big TV, which is also controlled by that nice little tablet that I showed you. You know, a little sitting area. And you have the balcony out here. Come on out. Has this very cool hammock. Let's see how the hammock works. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, I could go to sleep in this thing. And then we have a couple chairs, just relax. And here's the wonderful view of Miami. But enough of the Miami, because I want to show you the room. Down over here, I have a little mini fridge for you. Nothing too crazy, but it'll get the job done. Over here they got a couple cups for you. It looks like they have a couple items here. This looks like a bottle opener. There's a price tag on it, 25 bucks. I guess if you want it, you could take it home, along with ink. There's a carafe of water, which is complimentary, and they make sure that's filled for you all day long. Here we have our closet space, which you can see holds, we have 2 large luggages here. They got a couple little baskets under here to store some stuff, a little bit of extra space on the sides. They include a bunch of hangers here, and then there's also an overhead where you can store things as well. In here, we have our closet. We got our life jackets, a couple towels. Here's our safe. Nice big safe. Hold a decent sized laptop in there. This is the hair dryer. And then just a bunch of drawers here, you know, just for you to be able to put your clothes away. Mirror, full length mirror right behind the door. Hello. And here we have our bathroom, which it's not the biggest bathroom, but it'll do the trick for 2 people. You have your toilet, and then here you have a shower, and it has a rain shower head up here on the top, along with the hose for you. Another cool feature over here, we have these buttons. So we have here a do not disturb button, which you can push that and make sure that they know that you're here in the room. Or if every day when they come and you want room service and you're ready to head out for the day, you just push this button, lets your room attendant know that you're not going to be in the room, so they can come in and take care of all your needs.